Myself A.C. Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered the different lectures in the chapters 3, 11 CBSE. Today, I want to discuss about the important topic gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are called as naked seed plant. Gymnosperms are called as naked seed plants. It means the seeds are naked. Seeds are naked. It means ovary absent or ovule not covered by ovary. Ovule not covered by ovary wall. Means fruit wall. Ovule not covered by ovary wall or fruit wall, then the seeds are naked in the gymnosperm. As the Greek meaning, gymnosperms made by two-word combination. One is gymnos, which means naked in Greek, plus sperma. In Greek meaning, sperma means seeds. It means the plants which has naked seeds belong to the division gymnosperm. Division gymnosperm generally has divided into the four subdivisions, as gymnosperm generally divided into the four subdivision. Division gymnosperm has four subdivisions. These four subdivisions are noticed as like Cycadophyta, which has one order as Cycadales. Cycadales has one family as Cycadaceae, and Cycadaceae has one genus called Cycas. Species is Revoluta. Cycas revoluta is generally dioecious. Dioecious means the female cycas tree and male cycas tree are different. As female cycas tree has the female cone which has megasporophyll. Female cone has megasporophyll, and this megasporophyll means the megasporophyll bear megaspore or ovule, which is naked. In the case of the female cone, which bears the megasporophyll and megasporophyll bear ovule. Likewise, in case of the male cone, which generally has unbranched stem also found in the female cycas tree. The peculiar property is presence of corelloid root present above the soil surface in the cycas. Another type of root which is present inside the soil is taproot. So stem is unbranched, which generally has leaf scar. These are leaf scar. After falling the leaf left the spots on the stem called leaf scar, in plural leaf scar, and the male cycas tree has the male cone. So male cone present in the male cycas tree and female cone present in the female cycas tree. Presence of pinnately compound leaf. This is pinnately compound leaf in the cycas. This is the peculiar property of cycas, presence of pinnately compound leaf. Cycas belong to the subdivision Cycadophyta, which has one order Cycadales, family Cycadaceae, genus Cycas, species Revoluta. One ornamental species of cycas is called Sarcinalis, means Cycas sarcinalis, ornamental tree like Cycas revoluta. Here, cycas generally produces the sago, sabundana, by the stem, and very much important as ornamental tree in the garden. Peculiar property is having unbranched stem and corelloid root present. Corelloid root contain the blue-green algae, as the presence of Anabina in the corelloid root, which fix the phosphorus in the corelloid root. Another is called as the Gnatophyta. Gnatophyta has one member known as gnatum, and gnatum is the genus and species is Nemone. Gnatum plant, which generally peculiar because gnatum or Gnatophyta generally has xylem vessels in the xylem, more advanced gymnosperm, as after gnatum or Gnatophyta, then characters of angiosperm appear in this subdivision. Next one is Cycado, here Coniferophyta. Coniferophyta subdivision has order Coniferales, and Coniferales order has family Coniferaceae. This Coniferaceae family has important genus like Pinus. Pinus is important genus. Another is Cedrus. Another is Thuja are important genus. Next one is the Ginkgophyta, which has order Ginkgoales and family Ginkgoaceae, which has one member, one genus called as Ginkgo, and species is known as Biloba. So complete name is Ginkgo biloba. Like here, in case of Psychedophyta, complete name is Psychus revoluta. Psychus is genus, revoluta is species. Likewise, in case of the fourth subdivision, Ginkgophyta, as fourth subdivision, one order is Ginkgoales and one family, that is Ginkgoaceae. Here it has one genus Ginkgo, species Biloba. Ginkgo biloba is very important for subdivision Ginkgophyta. As first subdivision is the Psychedophyta, which has Psychus. Second subdivision is Gnatophyta, which has Gnatum. And third subdivision is Coniferophyta, which has one order Coniferales and different family. One family is Coniferaceae, in which different members are present, as Pinus, which is generally called as chill plant. But chill plant is deeper than the Psychus. As in case of Psychus, unbranched stem is present, but in case of chill plant, which has unbranched condition earlier, later on it has a type of condition which case a Christmas tree like structure appear, where the few branches present at the base are larger than the tip part. So it is called as conifer. Here it has two type of shoot, as the dwarf shoot and you can say small or dwarf shoot, which bears the small needles. Like these needles are present on the dwarf shoot, and these needles are called as leaf. And long shoot also present, which generally has dwarf shoot as branching. So this is the Pinus, which contain generally the male and female cone. As the dwarf shoot, it also contain the small size cone, and long shoot also contain the large size cone. So there are presence of the female cone and male cone on the same plant. If female cone and male cone present on the same plant, as in case of Pinus, so it is good example of a dioecious plant or dioecious conifer. Dioecious conifer, as good example is Pinus. So Pinus species which is branched, but Psychus species which is unbranched. Here the Psychus is dioecious, but Pinus, which contain both male and female cone, that is why it is good example of monoecious conifer. Monoecious means the plant which has both male and female cone, male and female reproductive structure. The Pinus, which shows branching, and Psychus unbranched structure. So these are the habitat mostly the habitat is terrestrial habitat. Habitat is terrestrial life for the gymnosperm mostly, and the habit of the plant is noticed. It is generally perennial. Perennial means generally the plant which is perennial has lifespan more than 2 years. So important term that is the habit, and another term that is the habitat. Habitat means where the plant is found, so it is terrestrial. Habit means what is the peculiar property of the plant, so it is perennial type, means has lifespan more than 2 years, so it is perennial type. These are the discussion about the morphology of gymnosperm. Morphology means a branch of biology in which we study about the external feature of the gymnosperm. As good example is considered as female cytostry, male cytostry, morphology has discussed here. Likewise, the Pinus species, good example of monoecious conifer, morphology also discussed. That is why these are called as conifers, as cone-like structure, because lower branch is larger than the upper branch. So these are the topic, as the topic is classification. As classification concerned, the division gymnosperm has divided into 4 subdivisions, as the subdivision first Cycadophyta, which has one member Cycas, and second one Gnatophyta, which has one member, for example Gnathum, and another is Coniferophyta, which has several members like Pinus, Cetrus, Thuja, Araucaria, etc. This Araucaria is generally called as monkey puzzle tree. Araucaria known as monkey puzzle tree because monkey fall down from the branches of Araucaria, because branches are horizontal to each other. And fourth subdivision is Gingophyta, in which Ginkgo biloba is present. Generally, the morphology of the plant Gnathum here has discussed. This is the Gnathum plant, as it shows the branching and much branch structure bear the leaves. Leaves are generally broader in case of Gnathum. This type of leaf of Gnathum, here leaves are broader in the Gnathum and bear the naked seed here. These are the naked seed of Gnathum present in the bunch in the Gnathum plant. So these are the seeds, and this is the leaves, and this structure is stem, and total structure for Gnathum, that is Gnetum. This is Gnathum tree, which botanical name is Gnathum nimon. Gnathum nimon as botanical name. Natum genus Nemon species. This Natum has large size leaves and this is simple type of leaf. Unlike in case of Saricus, pinnately compound leaf present. In case of Pinus, the Pinus needle is the example for leaves, which is needle-like, has sunken stomata. Sunken stomata presence shows the xerophyte nature of Pinus. So Pinus withstand up to the -35 °C at high altitude. So Pinus plant grow at high altitude, and Saricus, which can grow ornamental plant in plain area also. This Natum tree, which has seeds, large size seeds attached near the branches, near the leaf. Stem is branched type in case of Natum. Now we discuss about the reproduction in gymnosperm. Reproduction based in gymnosperm, generally the presence of male and female cone on the male and female plant. Here the male plant has male cone and male cone has microsporophyll. Microsporophyll generally bears the microspore. Microspore means pollen grain. When pollen grain develop, then it reaches to the female cone, megasporophyll. So another plant is female plant. Female plant generally has female cone, and female cone bear the megasporophyll. Megasporophyll generally bear the megaspore, and this megaspore is called ovule. Here the ovule in case of Saricus is generally contain the 3 layers of the total wall. As these 3 layers, middle layer is stony, middle layer is hard stony, and outer layer, inner layer are generally deeper than the middle layer. So middle layer is stony type, thick type. Here outer cotyledon means outer wall, which generally has a type of vascular supply, water supply in the outer and inner wall layer. There is presence of a female gametophyte. This is the embryo sac. Embryo sac generally contain at the tip part here archegonial chamber, where 2 archegonia present, and the pollen grain, which generally has the such type of structure. This pollen grain which develop in the microspore form on the microsporophyll. This is the microsporophyll where the pollen grains develop, which reaches by the such type of aperture, which is called as pollen tube. As pollen tube present here in the microspore, and this spore is called as micropyle. Here the 3 layer wall this is outer, inner wall and outer wall are parenchymatous type, but the middle wall is stony. This is middle wall which is stony and hard. The embryo sac which contain the archegonia where the pollination takes place, and as a result of this the embryo sac which contain the embryo development near the micropyle part. Suppose this is the micropyle and this is embryo. Outside the embryo, endosperm is present in the gymnosperm. Generally, endosperm is haploid structure. Although in case of angiosperm, endosperm is triploid structure. These are the difference. Now this is called as seed because the fruit was absent. So this is the cycas seed developed as a result of the sexual reproduction. So reproduction is sexual reproduction occur in case of, as good example has done, sexual reproduction in cycas. I have discussed already the two type of plant present, as starting in male plant, male cone formation occur, which contain microsporophyll bear microspore or pollen grain. These pollen grains now reaches to the micropyle via the air or wind. This is called as the anemophily. This is called as anemophily, which occur in the cycas as via wind. So this pollen grain produces a pollen tube. This pollen tube, now the nucleus of pollen grain reaches in the archegonium of the female. So this archegonium, which contains egg cell, and egg cell now fuses with the pollen grain and produces the diploid zygote. Diploid zygote now developed in the form of embryo as repeated division, which surrounded by endosperm, which is haploid type, which is deeper than the gymnosperm, as gymnosperm contain triploid endosperm, and this makes the seed for future generation. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes.